Yeah, some footage from Derby Cathedral here. This was the one where the drone decided to go off on its own path and crash into a tree just by the silk mill. But I've clipped that a bit out, to be honest. Hopefully you noticed some birds just below the drone there. Not exactly the ideal first flight in the city, really, but still, it's a learning curve. I think what probably happened was I was trying to return it to home, and there's a bit of a crossfire between the drone automatically returning to home and me trying to control it, and I think it just got confused and just decided to go off its own path. Thankfully, there was no one. There was no one in the area. There was a guy skateboarding about 50 metres away, and he heard it crash and come over, and we came and investigated it. But that's it. Right, just to fill the silence, I'm just going to do a bit of busking, I guess, in the background, because otherwise it's silence in it. So.